Founded at 2010, Xiamen E-Top Controls Technology Co. Limited is an OEM and ODM thermostat manufacturer. We devote ourselves to research and development, production, sale and marketing, room thermostats. Our core business is water heating thermostat, electric heating thermostat, and air conditioner thermostat. As a manufacturer, our factory runs ERP system. To comply with international market requests, products are CE certified. Production line is RoHS compliant. With experienced engineers team, we run PLM system and we are able to customize products individually for each of our customers to meet their diverse requirements. Research and development ability is one of our core competences. With diverse testing machines and strict QC control system, we can make sure all products in high quality. We have simulated environmental change, laboratory, and anti-signal interference laboratory, testing machines as constant temperature and humidity test chamber, ESD generator. Also, we have production lines for injection, SMT, plugins, assemble, testing, aging and package. Now our thermostats export to Europe as UK, Germany, Turkey, Romania, and Russia. The adoption of setups like credibility, quality, and efficiency is fundamental to establish solid relationships with our customers. We will be your ideal partner and provide a friendly, fast, and effective service for you.